This is the iPhone 16e, Apple's attempt at giving you flagship features without the flagship price. But at 56,490 rupees, is it actually worth it? Let's break it down. Design-wise, it's classic Apple. Aluminum frame, glass back, and it's IP68 rated for dust and water resistance. It comes in at 167 grams, so it feels familiar in hand if you have used any recent iPhone. The display is a 6.1-inch OLED panel at 1200 nits and it's protected by ceramic shield. Now, here is the catch. It's capped at 60 Hz refresh rate. So, if you are used to the buttery smooth 120 Hz ProMotion screens on Pro models, you will notice the difference in scrolling and swiping. On the camera side, you will get a single 48 megapixel rear camera and a 12 megapixel front camera. No ultra wide, no telephoto. Just one solid main sensor. For everyday shots, portraits and social content, it holds up well. But if zoom or wide angle shots matter to you, this isn't the phone. Battery is a 4005 mAh cell and it comfortably gets you through a full day. Apple also rates it for 7 years of software and security updates, which is honestly one of the best longevity numbers in this price bracket right now. Powering all this is the Apple A18 chip, which means you are not compromising on performance. This handles gaming, editing, and multitasking just as well as the standard iPhone 16. Compared to the standard iPhone 16 at 74,900 rupees, the 16e saves you a solid chunk of money and still gets you Apple Intelligence, current gen performance, and long-term software support. What you are giving up is the 120Hz display, the extra camera lens, and MagSafe. So, is it worth it? If you want the newest Apple chip and long-term support without paying flagship prices, yes. If display smoothness and camera versatility matter more to you, save up for the standard 16. Let me know in the comments which one you'd pick.